You've just bought your first Bitcoin. It's a roller coaster of emotions, right? Excitement, a touch of fear, and most importantly, the burning question, can I withdraw it instantly? I mean, you've got your eyes on that shiny new NFT, or maybe you're just itching to convert it back to good old cash. Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's get one thing straight. Instant gratification is a beautiful thing, but when it comes to crypto, patience is often a virtue. While Coinbase is a fantastic platform for buying, selling, and storing crypto, it's not exactly the flash when it comes to withdrawals. So, what's the deal? Well, there are a few factors that determine how long your withdrawal takes. Let's break it down. The type of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, they're all different beasts. Some cryptocurrencies process transactions faster than others. Bitcoin, for example, is known for its relatively slow transaction times compared to some of its younger siblings. Withdrawal method, how do you want to get your hands on that money? Are you going to withdraw to your bank account, or perhaps to another cryptocurrency wallet? Each method has its own processing time. Bank transfers usually take longer than withdrawals to other wallets. Network congestion, imagine a highway during rush hour. That's kind of what happens on the blockchain when there's a surge in transactions. Network congestion can slow things down significantly. So, the time of day or week you initiate your withdrawal can also impact the speed. Coinbase verification level. Coinbase has different verification levels to ensure security. The higher your verification level, the faster your withdrawals are likely to process. So, if you want those instant-ish withdrawals, make sure you've completed all the necessary verification steps. Now, let's talk about the withdrawal process itself. It's generally pretty straightforward. You go to your Coinbase account, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, choose your withdrawal method, enter the necessary details, and hit that withdraw button. Easy peasy, right? Well, almost. There's one more thing to consider, fees. Coinbase charges a fee for withdrawals, and the amount can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and withdrawal method. So, factor that into your plans. So, to answer the burning question, can you withdraw instantly from Coinbase? The short answer is no, not usually. But, with the right cryptocurrency, withdrawal method, and a bit of patience, you can get your hands on your funds relatively quickly. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving. Coinbase might introduce new features or improve processing times in the future. So, it's always a good idea to check their website or app for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.